When we think of German watch brand Junghans, we tend to think of Bauhaus-inspired watches focusing on stripped back, typographic dials and a less is more approach. If the Max Bill collection epitomises this minimal ethos, then the new limited edition Meister S Chronoscope is its antithesis. Occupying the ever popular arena of sports chronographs, it is available in 3 versions, 2 steel variations and an ultra racy black PVD limited edition version. The all steel version we have with us here today is arguably the most wearable of the 3. The green-black lacquered dial lacks the tachometer and performance slanted DLC of the other versions, opting for a nice middle ground for those with a less sporty inclination. The dial is relatively sparse in comparison to the other 2, with white luminances and red highlights set against a lacquer green and black dial which turns olive in the right light, and offers a subtle contrast with the black subdials. The steel versions feature an alternating polished and matte steel bracelet, as opposed to the fabric on the limited edition version. However, they're nonetheless incredibly comfortable thanks to the fine adjustment feature. At 45mm wide and 16mm tall, it has a decent 200m water resistance, and despite its large size, it wears incredibly well thanks to the integrated bracelet. The Meister S's greatest strength though is its case shape. Front on, it's hard to tell how much effort has been lavished onto the case, but from the side you can clearly see the incredible curve to the case edge, beginning at the integrated strap and thickening in the middle to become an oddly elegant crown guard. Inside is a movement just as solid as the case, the self-winding J8801 chronograph caliber, complete with a 48-hour power reserve, as well as a chronograph function and the date and weekday at 3 o'clock. Despite the Meister range being the Black Forest brand's premium offering, the new Meister S Chronoscope in steel will be available from £2,270. A fair price for a solid, distinctive design. The Max Bill Chronoscope will always be my favourite Junghans watch, but this new edition sees a welcome and distinctive design shift that will undoubtedly draw in new customers. Thanks for watching, and let us know what you think of the Meister S Chronoscope in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews.